Okay, just wanted to share a quick video with anyone that's got one of these mesh beds that just sort of sits on this table. I hate it when it moves around. It is such a pain in the backside. I considered putting, pegs into the bed there and just drilling a hole into each corner, but the holes aren't going to line up. So yeah, in the end I decided to screw these magnets into place. You probably don't need this many, but I just didn't want it moving. So we've added those magnets from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. I'll try and do this with one hand. And just get that in the right place. There we are. And that really isn't going anywhere now. It's on there nice and tight, no issues with that ever moving around. And to take it off, you can just pull it back, get a bit of a lip there, and then just lift it up like so. But once it's on there, it really doesn't want to move. So yeah, hopefully that was useful to somebody who doesn't like their mesh bed moving around.